Hello everyone! Today I want to talk to you about one of the funniest books I have ever come across, one which my daughter enjoyed very much. The book is called Granny Got a Sprout Stuck Up Her Sneezer, and it belongs to the talented Becky Murray. I feel privileged for being a mom as I have the opportunity to read all these amazing books to my daughter. For those brief moments in which we are cuddled together reading, I travel back in time and I feel like a child again. With Christmas drawing near, we are getting into the holiday spirit, diving into festive reads with genuine delight. The latest book from Becky Murray is a brilliant, funny story about Christmas gatherings, encompassing everything children might need from a holiday read. We both loved Granny, following her adventures around the dinner table and laughing our hearts out. My daughter had so much fun reading this book. She found it terribly funny to see Granny with a sprout stuck up her sneezer, as the author cleverly put it, and followed the story eagerly to see what happens next. As she saw that the whole family became involved in helping her out, she was all smiles. It also pleased her to see the ingenious solution used to help Granny out, but I'm not going to disclose it, you'll have to see it for yourselves. This rib-tickling story had us laughing and laughing. My daughter kept trying to imagine her own grandmas in the same situation, which added to the fun of the reading experience. I loved how the author encouraged her readers to share this story with the grannies and nannies in their lives. Books like this one lead to beautiful moments we share together as a family, turning into precious memories over time. The colorful illustrations done by the author herself complement the story to perfection. Even as an adult, you will find yourself laughing so much that you will have a hard time getting those words out. Honestly, this is the kind of book kids will want to read over and over again. From the super fun rhymes to the incredibly cute characters, this book has it all. And I can guarantee you will never look at veggies the same way ever again. These are some of the things I loved most about the book. The silliness. I think kids need books that offer pure, simple fun. Becky Murray has created a story that needs no explanation, one that helps children laugh and relax at the same time. Granny. You cannot look at this character and not think of your own grandma or grandmas. Granny is just adorable and plain funny, but there is also a hint of nostalgia which I think all adults will detect. Most of us are missing our own grannies and how they used to gather everyone around the dinner table. I love the fact that more and more authors are exploring this idea, and if you are looking for a book of similar kind, I recommend you give Grandma's Family Soup, written by James Roberts, a try. Written in rhyme. Becky Murray has a way with words and her rhymes are spot on. Books written in this style are often preferred by children, and this story certainly did the trick on my daughter. The colorful illustrations. As I said, these are done by the author herself, and they bring this wonderfully silly story to life. All the characters are just adorable, and I really appreciate that the author has tried to create a beautiful family for us to enjoy. Tradition. Eating Christmas dinner is a beloved tradition for many families, and I think Becky's book will help children understand the importance of being close to each other around the holidays, even if things do not always go as planned. I also wanted to show you some of the illustrations because these are just amazing. Granny is really an adorable character, but the rest of her family is just as amazing. And one more. This was a delightful read and it certainly got us in the mood for Christmas. I think it would make the perfect gift for the holidays, perhaps next to a Christmas jumper as the one Granny is wearing in the book. Written with humor and a dollop of fondness for grannies, the author invites her readers to swim in silliness and forget about the world for a minute or two. If you want to grab your copy of this lovely book, you can use the link below. As always, I encourage you to leave a review, because even something as simple as I enjoyed the book can boost an author's visibility and help wonderful stories like this one reach as many readers as possible. You can also get in touch with the author. I'm sure she would love to hear your opinion about her book. Becky Murray has written many wonderful books, and I encourage you to go on her website and check them out. You can find the link below as well. On my channel, I have reviewed one of her most wonderful books, Azalea Fern and the Last Ruin of the Extinct. Perhaps you want to check this out as well. I hope you enjoy my book review, and thank you for sticking with me until the end. You can support me in 3 simple ways: by subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, and sharing them on social media. That's it for today. See you soon with more great books.